Hello everyone, I'm Vishal Apta TK from third year BCA. So today I'm going to talk about a small topic in computer architecture. The topic is common bus system. Basically computer architecture means it's like interior of computer, what all are there, registers, components and how they works and how many inputs are there, how many outputs are there, which is connected to which component, where the memory goes, where the storage stays, and many things are there in computer architecture. And in that, common bus system is a small part of it. In that, they will show how the data is going and to which register it's going, like interior designs, everything we can learn in computer architecture. Let's go into the topic. Common bus system, like basically the registers have totally 8 registers and a memory unit and a control unit, and there is a path where the information should go, and one register is connected to the another register and one memory is connected to the another register. Like this, the path is called common bus. There will be n number of wires that is connected to outputs of other registers and inputs to other register. It will be connecting like this, and there are many connections of registers and memories of basic computer to a common bus. There are types of buses here: address bus, data bus and control bus. Address bus means it will show the address of the processor, I mean address of the memory, and where it's getting processed. And data bus means it carries the data to the processor and the other components. Control bus means it carries the control signals of the uh, from the processor to other components. Everything is under like signals, controls and information only. So this is a 16-bit common bus. It's really a it really has many connections for one input and other output. Many registers and components are there here. So load is a small subtopic in common bus system. We need to load the data, we need to give some set of instructions as a data. So the outputs of 7 register and a memory are connected to the common bus. But this load helps, the short form of load is LD. It's particularly register of load input enables receiving the data from bus during the next clock pulse trans- transition. And in this load, even timing will be calculated. And actually in this 4 registers like DR, AC, IR and TR, these are actually 16-bit. And even 2 registers which are 12-bit also, AR and PC. These everything will carry the memory, and it delivers or loads to other registers and components. By this only the data bus will work. From data bus, the other components and registers will receive the data or load the data. Actually there are some control inputs, like LD means it load, increment, INR means increment, which it increments of data in each register. And if we see CLR means it clears the data. Now memory address, the input, normally the memory address, it's actually a input data and output memory that is connected to a common bus. But the memory address is connected to AR. This data bus and memory address are not same. It has a separate unique values and process. And AR must be always used by specific memory address also. So normally memory address is represented like this. First we'll run a program in virtual memory of an register, and it will go and save in paging table, and later it will be showing those output in a physical memory. and after verification of that, then only it will show, it will work as hard disk or swap file. The registers and ICs, it look very very small, but inside that there are lots of information. That's it. Thank you. This is all about computer architecture in such a small topic called a data bus.